Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by placing your reference close and choosing tools: paper, HB2 pencil, eraser. Start with 2 ovals for Elsa and Anna. Lightly mark a vertical centerline and horizontal eye lines to align faces. Once done, map the hairlines and jaw angles because accurate proportions dictate likeness. Make sure to keep strokes loose. This allows easy correction. You'll refine features next, but right now lock in head sizes, spacing between characters, and the tilt of each face to capture personality. You now move into color, starting with base skin tones. Apply thin layers from light to mid values so you can build form without muddying. For hair, follow the strand direction, stroke in long, confident marks. Once done, add shadow mask then sharp highlights at the light source to suggest sheen. Make sure to separate Elsa's cool blue hues from Anna's warmer palette so they read apart at a glance. Blend edges where skin meets hair, but retain crisp edges for garments to maintain clarity. You finish by sharpening the focal points. Darken the lashes, sharpen pupils, and place small catchlights to make the eyes read alive. For clothing, suggest fabric with subtle texture strokes and edge highlights. This separates layers and increases depth. Once done, step back and check overall value balance. If something reads too dark, make sure to glaze transparent lighter layers or lift paint carefully with a damp brush to recover highlights. If colors clash, cool or warm a midtone to harmonize the pair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.